Good evening. Uh, I thought of creating a simple video so that you can use it in order to upload your coursework. Mm, I'm going to use my account to submit coursework too. So I'm going to open up my browser. I'm using Chrome. You can use any browser of your choice. Mm, I'm going to go to e-learning platform. When I click on e-learning platform, I come to UICT e-campus. You wait as it loads. Then you come and log in with your student credential that you are given. When you come to login, you enter in your credential. Okay, having put in your credential, you click login. On logging in, you can see my courses. These are the courses that you have been enrolled for. I'm assuming everyone have enrolled for the program, or I'm assuming you have already enrolled for the course. For example, in this case, I'm enrolled for fundamentals of ICT. So I'm going to click on that fundamental. If your course is not seen and maybe you have many, you can scroll through this one here. You can use this slider. There's a slider here. There's this slider here. You can slide and see the courses you have enrolled for if you're not seeing yours. So for my case, I'm going to click on this one. Having clicked on as it loads, I'm going to scroll down so that I can find where to submit the coursework. Okay, when you find the course, here I have now coursework too. So when you find it, you click on it. So having clicked on it, now we have the coursework open, and I believe you're seeing add submission here, and all of us can see it. Here is not yet, no submission have been made, not graded, 6 days, 9 hours remaining. So I'm going to click on this add submission. So when I click on add submission, you can see now the space is there. You can scroll down through it. You can scroll down to this page here. Wait for it to load. Please let it load, because if it does not load, then you want to submit your work. So after loading, this is option if you want to to put your work in a folder. You can create a folder there. But if you want to submit your file directly, then you can click on this one here. So this is just for adding the file. So I'm going to click on adding files. Then when it brings me up, it gives me option of choosing a file. So I'm going to select this option of choose file. Uh, After selecting that, you are free to come to your desktop or to your computer to look for where your work is. In this platform they have given us, you can look for where your work is. For my case, my work is on the desktop. So on the desktop, I'm going to look for my work. My work is on this folder here, and this is my work here. So I'm going to click on it. Please click on the file, and having clicked on the file, I'm going to click open. And when I click open, it is going to load it here. So this is the file. So now it tells you save as. I prefer to save it with my name. As you can see, I'm going to yeah, I prefer to save it like this. My name, student number, and registration number. This is just my personal preference. Yours may vary. I prefer this because I feel like if I save it like this, uh, the lecturer can see my student number and my registration number in case it is needed. So I prefer to put it like that. After put saving as with your name and your details, then you can now what, come and click on upload this file. So you click on upload this file. So wait for it to load. So my file is loading. You're going to face this problem if your file is large. So right now it's saying maximum size of the file can upload is 5 MBs. And now for me, I'd already embedded a video into my file. Now, having embedded a video into my file, I cannot upload this file. Therefore, I have to go back and what? And remove the video such that my file become lighter. Okay, now I've compressed my work. So I'll come to now upload. Let us upload after compressing, and then we see if it's going to accept now. Okay, I think it's loading, as you can all see. Now your file uploads and comes now to things like this. Now from here, you must save changes. If you don't save, your work won't be saved. So you click on save changes. When you click on save changes, you wait for it to also load. Now when it finishes loading like this, you can see clearly here is submitted for grading. That means we have already submitted our work. Wow, wow, wow. This is amazing. So we have already submitted our first. Oh, sorry, this is the second what? Assignment. And I submitted it early enough. Please endeavor to do yours also early enough like me. I've submitted when it's remaining 6 days and 9 hours. So you can see, and you see, I've been working at night. It's 2:36 a.m. Okay, guys, have a blessed night. Okay.